So I'm one of those curious people that likes to take things to bits. So for anyone who's interested into what's going on inside a print head, I think this is a DX5 head. It's from a R800 or R1800, and it was leaking, just continuously dripping ink. And what I've discovered is this side of the head here is delaminated there, and the ink's just running out the side there of the gap. But interestingly, there's not much to it. I've never really looked inside a head before. I've taken lots out of printers, but I've never looked inside. The bit that carries the dampers or the cartridges just pushes it all into these little angled outlets, and I did find that 2 of them were completely clogged. So it's worth taking the head to bits that's clogged just to give it a proper clean, because once it's apart, you can reverse clean by sucking, same way as you would if it was in one piece. But once you've cleared these holes, you can then use a syringe to draw up through these little holes, and you can see they're the holes that feed the head, the ink channels, and then these strips here are just where the nozzles are soldered, so it can activate them individually. And then this little gasket just sits between the actual head and the carrier on there and joins all these holes up. I found before as well when trying to flush that if you push too much pressure in, you can find that it bursts between channels and you get pressure coming back up out of another channel. And I assume that's just this, when this gasket gets ink between channels, so taking it apart and cleaning it should resolve it. But this one's completely dead. As I said, the head here is delaminated along the side, and when you put pressure through it, the ink just comes out here, or the water I've been trying it with just comes out of this side, so it's beyond help. So I was interested in having a look. Anyway, I hope everyone found that interesting.